All right, guys. Next up, we have map scatter animations. So here, similar to occurrence animations, here we get to see the crimes that have been occurred. So I have put color code here, and we get to see this is also yearly based, and we can filter out the data with this argument. So let me just play it for you. By the way, you can zoom in and zoom out. This has all happened in San Francisco in the Richmond district. So let me just play it for you. So although we cannot uh, infer anything with this, but it's just a handy way to see the crimes happening yearly based. Similarly, we can do monthly. For monthly purpose, we need to pass the year which we want to get the month based animations. This is again optional. So let me just play it for you. Since this year 2015, we do not have all the months data, right? So it just goes quickly. And again, we can zoom in and zoom out. We can click one color code to basically make it disappear. So we can get it back by again clicking it on. So these are some cool stuffs uh, is been provided by Plotly. Likewise, we can also do daily basis. For getting daily basis plots, we need to pass the year and the month. And again, this is optional. So daily, we see that the crimes happening on a day. Sorry, day, yeah, per day. In which areas crimes happen and what are the categories, right? Yeah. We can also do hourly, but I just commented it out. Data is very less when it comes to hourly basis. And this is the map scatter plot. Similarly, we can go with the map choropleth. So choropleth map is something like a heat map with which we can get the overall count as per the district, police district. So for that purpose, I'm passing my SFPD variable, which I created earlier. It's nothing but the boundaries, right? I discussed it in the previous videos. So you might have to go back a couple of videos and recheck. So this is happening on a monthly basis. I'm passing here as my filter, and Southern is the most occurred crimes in that year. So we can again check it. So this color shade that we see here, it basically indicates the range. So all those districts which has less color code, less shade, it means that less crimes happened there. And Southern is the most crimes occurred there in that area. Daily basis, we can again check. For that purpose, we need to pass year and month. You can stop and continue. So we can also do hourly plots, but I just commented it out. And next thing we have density map. So for this purpose, I have taken 12 crimes as 12 crimes per year. And this function is very much helpful to create subplots that has map in every plot. So in this function, as usual, I'm keeping these arguments year, data frame, and the top 12. So by default, I'm giving 12. And here I have CLAT and CRON, basically center latitude and center longitude. These are the coordinates of San Francisco, which I just showed you. Yeah, here. And so first thing we need to get the counts of each category, and just, and later on we need to get the top 12, right? So by default, value counts method gives the order in descending way. So we just need to take the top crimes by just taking the index values and doing some slice operations. We can easily get the top crime names, and this is the function. This function is part of Plotly, which helps us make subplots. For this purpose, we need to provide n rows, total number of rows, and n columns. So I'm passing 4 and 3 here. So this helps us create 4 rows and 3 columns, where in every cell we get to see a plot. And this is just again some programming hack to put the plot in every cell, and updating the layout. And yeah, this is the sample output for, I'm passing the year 2003, and here we see this image. Latency theft is the highest, I mean top crime that occurred in every year. So this is what I observed, and these are the areas. The yellow highlighted areas are the regions where this crime occurred. The frequency of this crime was more. Similarly, other offenses, and likewise we get to see all the crimes, all top 12 crimes. This is for only 2003, but if you would like to take a look of all the years, I have made a GIF here. You can simply open this GIF in new tab, and you will get to see all the years. Probably you can check it once this link is shared in the description. And yeah, one thing we can observe is in every year, it's either latency theft or other offenses that happens to be the highest counted crime in that year. That's it for this video, and in the next video we'll discuss some other future engineering techniques with which we can develop a model and do some predictions. All right, guys.